What is up, YouTube? If you're wondering where I've been, probably aren't. Been focusing on podcasts and also making some changes, but also been dealing with the Evo, been building a motor for the Monte Carlo, and been working on the Chaser. One thing with the Chaser is the suspension. So I lowered it a little bit, got some coilovers, lowered it a little bit. It's still a daily, but it hasn't been in daily mode. It's a long story. It was supposed to be purchased, didn't get purchased. Then it was supposed to be purchased again, didn't get purchased. Whatever. Well, I've been taking some time to think about what to do next with it, and that's where it came to lowering and also changing the front brakes. Well, front and rear brakes. Well, in the process of lowering it, had to split the ball joints, and I got IS300 upper control arms. Well, this is what happens when you use IS300 upper control arms instead of JZX upper control arms. You get this crazy positive camber. That is ridiculous. That maybe doesn't look too bad on camera, but let's go around. Be able to see it on this side. Look at that. Maybe that doesn't look as bad either. To the eye, it's terrible. Like, the wheel is like this. Such a good car. Yeah, so as you can see, we've got camber wear. Then we've also got part of the tire where, look at that. That's fun. Nice. This one's not even actually the bad wheel, and actually that's where it's kind of grinded up against. Wow. That's crazy. So let's put this over here. Let's go over here. Worst camber wear. And we got cord showing over here. And look at that. Nice. So we're gonna go ahead and use some used tires, some new to me's. But first, we have to take off. This is what we're taking off right here. Right here. So you gotta separate this, bring this out. We're also gonna lower this shock down. And there's two bolts, one on this side, one on that side. And this comes out. We're gonna do it on both this side and that side, and pop in our old ones that have new ball joints in them. These are the old ones, nice, with new fresh ball joints. So, good to go. All right, here's the difference. This is the OEM one with the new ball joint. That is the IS300 one. They are pretty identical, seems like, but for some reason, it gave it crazy positive camber, as you guys saw. So, and apparently a lot of people go from a lot of IS300 people go with the JZX100 arms to get a little bit more negative camber, which makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw the JZX100 back in, and you'll get those tires replaced. Now we are back in spec. Look at that flush wheel at the top. Our only problem is we're too wide on the tires. So this is a 235/45, and I had 240/40 on the front. And now it's just a little too wide and it's hitting the inner fender area. So need to go with a different tire, sadly, but not doing that today. It now is straight. It needs to be aligned, of course, and a couple of other things, but at least we got that part figured out and fixed. So now we know that IS300 upper control arms do not work. They do not, in fact, work for the JZX100, at least the Tour S version. Well, on to finish this and on to keep working on that. Peace.